You weren't treated as a lawyer in most cases. Particularly when I was young, you were treated as somebody to keep us out of a situation. If you got, the big deal was getting clients, but if you got a client, you couldn't really act as a lawyer with more. It was very hard to act as a lawyer with other lawyers. They just wouldn't treat you seriously. And that's when I started to swear, for which I was known through most of my practice.
You found that made you
very effective, because I swore a lot, and you get hard. You get very hard.
So that you sort of lost your femininity. Is that the idea?
From 9 to 5. I didn't get any clients from any friends at that time at all. It was just as well, because I had a completely different personality now. I was hard. I was harsh. Most women lawyers, the few that were practiced, were hated, and the reason was that you had to prove yourself. You had to be tough, because you were not treated otherwise as a lawyer. There was also some chivalry. I was doing some court work, and I discovered that you really didn't have to prepare your case very much, because a judge would step in if you were in trouble until you became about 40. And that stopped. And I stopped, as a matter of fact, going to court soon after that. But there it was, you were just, and you had odd situations, and in many cases, men felt a client felt he had to make a play for you. I really think now for that you were expecting it. And by this time I had a secretary, and we worked out a whole system. I had a desk, and my desk the leaf was always out, so that they couldn't sort of come around. And I would buzz as soon as things got a bit edgy. And she would come in and ask me something. That went on all the time.
And what